Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to design pro level content in minutes? Whether it's Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or flyers, Adobe Express has your back. And today I'm showing you how to use it like a pro, even if you are a total beginner. Let's dive into Adobe's easiest design tool. So, what is Adobe Express? Adobe Express is a cloud-based design tool that lets you create social graphics, videos, logos, and more. All drag and drop, no design degree required. It's like Canva but powered by Adobe's creative engine. Let me show you how easy it is. First, first of all, go to adobe.com/express and sign in with your Adobe ID or create a free account. Click sign in for then click continue with your Google or Facebook account. Once inside, you will land on the dashboard. Now click Adobe Express. Then purchase your Adobe Express from here. Or click plus icon to start a new project. You can choose from social posts, videos, posters, resumes, even TikTok templates. Let's create an Instagram post. Pick a template that fits your vibe. Then simply click to edit the text. Drag in your images. Wait a minute. Select the image like that. Then click add text and enter your text here like that. Now select all. Go to fonts tab, then select one from here, then select the color and drag onto here. Click custom, then select a color like this. That's good. Want to match your brand? Use custom fonts, set your brand colors, and even add your logo with just a few clicks. Adobe Express also supports video creation. Add your clips, trim them, insert transitions, and drop in text or animated elements. It's perfect for quick reels, promos, or video intros, and you don't need any complex timeline editing. When you're done, click download, choose your picture style, then click download. Then save. Go to file section, click start new file, then click social video, then select Instagram reel, Now add some clips like this, drag onto your canvas, then trim the timeline. Then you can add an audio file from here. Click add audio, then choose one, then drag onto your dashboard. That's it. Then play the video. From media tab, you can upload your own screen recording video or any other video from your computer. Now go to text to image AI generator option. Click file, then click start new file. If you are using Pro version, you will see the option. Scroll down, click generative AI, click generate image, select the size and prompt, enter your prompt here. AI generated art in seconds. Remove background, click once and your image background is gone, no Photoshop needed. Go to media section, select a photo from here like that. Wait a minute, click file again, then start new file, choose a size from here. Now click on your photos tab, click media or upload, then upload your photo. And now contents scheduler pro feature, plan and auto post your content to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok right from Adobe Express. Once you are done, just click download and follow the process, or hit share to send it directly to your social channels or teammates. And that's Adobe Express in a nutshell. You just designed like a pro with zero stress. Smash that like button if this helped, and drop a comment if you want a full deep dive on Adobe's AI tools or content scheduler. Subscribe for more no fluff creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.